Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a big question. Can you really make money online with zero skills? The answer is a huge yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Get spending months learning to code or becoming a graphic design wizard. These are methods you can start today. First up, let's talk about user testing websites. Companies are desperate to know if their websites and apps are easy to use. They'll pay you, yes, you, to simply navigate their site and speak your thoughts out loud. You just need a computer, a microphone, and an internet connection. Sites like UserTesting, Trimotta, and IntelliZoom are always looking for new testers. You get paid for every 15 to 20-minute test you complete. Super straightforward way to earn some extra cash just by sharing your honest opinion. No special skills needed. Just the ability to talk and click. Next, have you ever heard of microtask platforms? Think of Amazon, Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker. These platforms break down big projects into tiny, manageable tasks called hits, or human intelligence tasks, too. These could be anything from identifying objects in a photo, transcribing short audio clips, to doing simple data entry. Each task pays a small amount, but they add up fast. You can do them whenever you have a spare moment, waiting for the bus, during your lunch break, or while watching TV. It's a flexible and easy entry point into the world of online earning. Finally, let's not forget about paid online surveys. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Do they really pay? They absolutely do, if you use the right platforms. Companies spend billions on market research, and your opinion is incredibly valuable to them. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Branded Surveys are legitimate and have paid out millions to their users. You just answer questions about your habits, preferences, and opinions on various products and services. You can earn cash or gift cards, all from the comfort of your couch. So there you have it, 3 practical ways to start making money online right now, without needing any prior experience or special skills. 2. It's all about leveraging the time and resources you already have. The key is to be consistent and patient. Your earnings will grow as you get more familiar with these platforms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making and saving money. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these methods, or if you have others to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.